emergencies happen to teachers too. So sometimes you might actually be absent from your own class, and there will be a substitute teacher. So usually having a substitute teacher would make you feel like, oh my god, I'm just gonna fall back on schedule, and my students are just gonna miss this assignment or this topic, and I'll just go to the class again, and I will have to teach it with the current timetable or the current scheduled topics. So what am I gonna do here? The substitute teacher might not be very helpful. So it's your job that if your substitute teacher is coming to the class, just make sure that you help him or her. Like send them any material in advance that you are going to use, any kind of lesson plan or preparation or activities you have already done. Just send it to them so that they would feel like you are saving their time, so they would be focused on doing their best and catching up with the material that the students have to learn. And this way, the substitute teacher will feel good, and you always assure them that this is their class for this day, and they have to enjoy it and do their best in it, and they are the boss at this day.